My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Browser Cleaner Pro. Browser Cleaner Pro is the unwanted browser extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. This extension actually operates as adware, and if it gets installed, it starts to display the huge portion of really intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. If this extension was mistakenly installed to your Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures immediately and get rid of it. Otherwise, you may be exposed to all sorts of intrusive advertisements that will keep attacking your screen from time to time. So, to stop these ads, access the menu More Tools, Extensions, disable and remove this extension if you find it. We also recommend that you carefully examine the computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.